Hey lovelies and welcome back. I hope you're having a wonderful day. In today's video I'm going to be using the Makartt Rainbow Polygel Kit. Yes, I finally got my hands on this kit. Can you believe it? We've literally been trying to get a hold of this for months and it was just problem after problem. No one's fault, well, it was someone's fault. But yes, I got my hands on it finally, so we are going to be going through it now. So the box come within a box, but I didn't show the original box because I didn't think that you'd need to, so I just showed you the box that it came in. So anyway, it comes with the normal polygel kit things, paper forms, jewel forms, an instruction book with like Q&As and stuff in it, as well as like the other products, a top and a base coat, a 120 to 240 grit file, your spatula javelin polygel tool, and then it comes with the 7 colours of polygel. So they are 30 grams in each, and they all come sealed, by the way. So this is red and it's 201. Orange, which is 202. Yellow, which is 203. Green, which is 204. Blue, which is 205. Indigo, which is 206, and this is like a dark blue, and then violet 207. So I will be using half tips today for my set, and these are what the swatches look like before they are cured. And when I put them in the lamp, I did realise that the yellow, the orange and the green do glow in the UV light, which is great. Ignore that pigment powder, by the way. And this is what they look like when they come out of the lamp after they've been cured. So now I'm just going to do some prep on my natural nail to make sure that the nails stay on for longer and last longer and all that stuff. I'm not going to explain through it because I don't see the point in, like, you can see what's happening and I've explained in so many of my videos. I don't want to bore you with the same thing and repeating over and over, if that makes sense. So yeah, we do prep the nail as normal, and then after gluing my tips on, I cut and shape them to the preferred sort of size and shape. Sorry, I couldn't think then. My mind went completely blank. I don't know why. I don't use a new file, by the way, because I'm cheap and I like to get as much use out of my files as I can, but I don't use these on anyone else. If you do use them on a client, make sure to swap out in between. And then of course I use rubbing alcohol then to get away any of the dirt, dead skin and dust. So I have noticed that we have gotten a lot of new subscribers again, guys. We went over 300 subscribers this week, and I am so shocked. Like, I'm so shocked. I can't believe it. And I just wanted to say to the new subscribers, hi, my name is Abby. Welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate your support, and I'm so shocked. I can't still believe it. Do you know what I mean? I know it sounds really stupid, but I love that you guys actually want to watch my videos, and I'm so grateful for all of you. You are absolutely amazing. You all comment down below in the comment section, and the positive vibes and the positivity and the good, like, the great comments that I get and the compliments. I am absolutely amazed by how much positivity I get, I absolutely love it, guys, and thank you so much. I really do appreciate it, and I think that you are all bloody amazing. And yeah, I just wanted to say a big thank you to the new and the old subscribers, so thank you guys for that. So now moving on to the polygel kit itself, I'm going to talk about it now. I love Makartt products. You know what I'm like. I'm obsessed with Makartt, Model 1s, Gelon, Beetles, you name it, So, but going back to this kit, completely went off subject then. This kit is for people that, when you've just decided, right, I want to do polygel. I don't like Mortimer I don't like acrylic because of the Mortimer. The smell is horrible, blah, blah, blah. So, I don't like Mortimer personally. It gives me a headache, it makes me feel sick, the smell lingers for days, and even the people say, oh, you can use odorless ones, but I've not found any Mortimer that is like completely odorless, and because of my migraines I can't physically keep this, and I've got kids, so do you know what I mean? Like, anyway, going back to the point that I was trying to make, this polygel kit is perfect for people that want to just do polygel. You get all these colours and you can mix them to make different colours, so like you have like a never ending choice of colours and stuff like that. You can mix them together, you can add white, you can add pink, you can do whatever you like, which I think is absolutely amazing. So yeah, guys, I'd highly recommend this polygel kit. So going on to the design now, I wasn't too sure what I wanted to do at first. I've seen loads of videos on YouTube of this, doing like using all the colours to do like ombres and stuff like that, and I thought, well, I don't want to copy everyone because obviously everyone would be sick of the same design, do you know what I mean? So I thought, right, why not do a flame set? Originally I was going to do vertical ombre, but it just didn't go to plan. That's why the thumb had polygel like rubbed off in the beginning. I tried to do an ombre with orange and red. It just wasn't going right, so I took it all off and then I just put red on, and that's when I decided, right, I'm going to do flame nails, because everyone seems to be loving the flame nails at the moment, and I haven't done a set with flames, and I think that it turned out really well. It's not like amazing, like, ooh, look, you know, but I did enjoy doing it, and I've been on this like medium length nail kick lately. I don't know why. I love my long nails, but now and then I will just do like a short or a medium length nail, and I thought these turned out really cute and stuff, so yeah, I'm very happy with them. So I do, my thumb is the red colour, my middle finger is orange, I do my pinky in the yellow, and then I I marble my index finger with red and orange, and then I marble my ring finger with yellow and orange. So like they look good without the flames, but I just wanted to do flame nails, so but I'm just going to let you guys watch the application, and yeah, I will see you guys in a bit, so I hope you enjoy. I'm back, guys. Hello. So, once I have done all the layers, I cure in the lamp, by the way, for 60 seconds. And then I go in with my rubbing alcohol again to take away the sticky tacky layer, and then I file. I didn't do too much filing because I'd done a pretty good shape, like when applying on the top. It just needed to take down the bulkiness. But this polygel is great to work with. It's not sticky, and sometimes with Makartt products you find that it's a hit and miss on whether the polygel will be sticky or not, and it wasn't. It was a nice texture and formula to move around. The red I found a bit hard to get out of the tube, but it wasn't like super hard to the point where like it was unusable. Do you know what I mean? So I honestly love this kit. I think it's great. I did buff gently over the top of the marbled nails. I didn't do it too hard because I just wanted to take away the shine so I could put the top coat on afterwards. But of course, if you wanted to file right into it, I would suggest doing a thinner layer and then clear capping it with clear polygel. But like I said, I didn't file off any of the design, so it was fine. What else was I going to say? Oh yes, of course. So I wanted to ask you guys, because obviously I've done a lot of different videos with different styles of how I do my voiceovers. I've done a couple where it's just been me talking to say hi in the beginning and then music. Then I've got other videos where I talk all through, and then I've got some where there's a mixture of music and talking. And I just wanted you guys to let me know, down in the comment section, just comment down below. Do you prefer me to just play music? Do you prefer to hear me talking and telling you what I'm doing? Or do you like the mixture of both? Because I know myself, I like the mixture of both. Do you know what I mean? There's music in the background and talking and blah, blah, blah. But obviously everyone is different. So I just wanted to ask because, yeah, I just want to cater to you guys as well. And in person, in real life, I'm such a chatty, talky person. I don't stop talking. My granddad said to my mum when I was younger, he said to my mum, because I used to stay at my nan and granddad's nearly every weekend when I was a kid, and my mum comes to pick me up, and he said to my mum, I love your daughter, I love my granddaughter, she's amazing, but she does not stop talking. And when I'm trying to watch the news and I turn the volume up on the telly, she goes up with the volume. So I talk a lot, see, and that I guess I just like to communicate with you guys, and you guys comment down below and stuff. So yeah, I always comment back as well. I always reply to you guys, and I love chatting with you guys, and it's, it's that thing of, yeah, just communicating. But see, I talk a lot. So yeah, guys, just let me know down in the comment section if you like me talking or you like the music or so and so. But anyway, going back to the nails now. So I do, on the two marble nails, I paint the flames and then I colour it in with black gel polish. I do 2 layers of the black, curing in between each layer, of course, 60 seconds, because I use the Lavender Violets black gel polish. All my gel polishes, I tend to cure for a full 60 seconds so they don't bleed. And they turned out great, and then I just added the top coat and I cured for 30 seconds, but every lamp is different, guys, so always read the instructions on what's best suited to your nail lamp. But other than that, that was pretty much it, guys, and I had some cuticle oil, so yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of the video and put some music on. Before I go, though, I would like to say I do have an Instagram that you guys can follow, and I post regularly up on Instagram. I post a day early of what I'm posting the next day, and also I do a subscriber Saturday, I guess is the best way to call it. We're going to call it that now. Before Saturday comes round, I usually post up a poll and ask you guys what you would like to see, and you get to vote. So by all means, follow me on that, which is at @swalesnails_beauty. I do have it linked down in the description box. But yeah, follow me, guys, and also tag me in your designs. I would love to see your designs and stuff like that. What else? There was something else and I can't remember. Oh yeah, and also if you want me to try any designs or there's anything that you would like me to try within reason, obviously if I can do it, just leave a comment down below asking and I will be more than happy to do so. I do have a couple of videos coming up soon from subscribers asking me to do certain things, so they will be up now next week. But yeah, I want to yeah, I just wanted to cater to you guys as well, because I like to, yeah, I keep saying communicate and stuff. I don't know, I can't think of the words right now. But I'm just going to stop talking now and I'm going to let you watch the rest of the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you did like, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you did enjoy, sorry, see, words just don't work with me today. I hope you're all staying safe. I hope you're all still smiling, and I will see you all in the next one, guys. Bye. I begin to for sure.